Okay, so hello and welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm in Lohal. I'm in my ancestral village called Jalma. It is located around 2 hours from Manali. And yeah, today's vlog is all about showing you the life in Lohal. And this is my room. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. And that's the view from my window. Oof. So that's my orchard. You can see यहाँ पे पेड़ लगे हैं और नीचे we have planted gobi. So this house I'm basically converting this into a hostel, and you can see this is the dorm room. There's one bed, there's 2, 3, 4. This is the dorm room. This is the tandoor room, Lohal में जहाँ पे everyone sits together. So this is a room where all the guests can sit and interact with each other. These are the roses which my grandfather planted 20-30 years ago, and हर साल 1-2 महीने के लिए they bloom. So there are about 150 to 200 roses here, or maybe more. Ooh. So in the previous vlogs you have met Michael as well. Here is Michael. He's enjoying the orchard and the sun and the mitti as well. So hello Michael, hi. Michael, say hi. Michael is around 10 years old. He's an old dog and he's huge. He's around 40 kilos. He's super friendly. I don't know how, but for a German Shepherd of this size, he's too friendly. है ना मेरा बच्चा? चलो बैठो. Okay, so right now we are cleaning the garden. काफ़ी सारे प्लास्टिक के पीसेस हैं गार्डन में. So we are cleaning all that up. He's super friendly. He loves cuddles. He loves kisses. Wait, apparently he doesn't. Hello, hello. बैठो चुपचाप बैठो. So this is a small carry which we have made. There's lettuce and there's some gobi. This is for our own consumption, and for salad we'll have this for lunch. ना तेरे आने से पहले कभी पड़ा है ना? हाँ, तो ये उठा के we're gonna keep रिग्जन हाउस के पीछे. हाँ पीछे रख दे, नाली में मत रखना, ऊपर रख दे. दरवाज़ा तो इससे बन जाएगा, तो कल क्या रखना बाहर. हाँ नहीं लखनऊ से. चलो. Oh my God, what नखरे. Have some water, Michael. Doesn't want no water. You can see सेब आ रहे हैं छोटे छोटे. मेरे पेड़ काफ़ी पुराने हो गए हैं, so the quality of apple is declining. So this might look like any other cauliflower field, but what you are seeing is Lohal gobi at the height of around 11,000 feet. The gobi here grows in clear soil, clear water, clean air, no chemical, just sun and hard work. Okay, a bit of chemical. Okay, so in most parts of India, gobi is also considered as a winter crop, but here in Lohal, gobi is considered as a summer crop basically, because the winter is too extreme to grow anything. Hardly any place to walk. Yeah. So I basically spend half my time in Manali, half my time here in Lohal. Hopefully I'm gonna run this hostel, and then मैं ज़्यादा frequently I'm gonna stay here at the farms. So this fencing is done ताकि animals. Hush, hush. What the hell is that? Wait a second. Oh my God. Oi. Is this dead? Why? It's a dead cat right here. Oh my god. I think some animal has killed this cat. Why? Yeah, that was a dead cat. Probably killed last night. It had marks. Probably killed by some small animal. यहाँ पर बहुत सारे भालू होते हैं. Bhalu, wild dogs. Some say even wolves. But I have never spotted a wolf. So, ये मेरे neighbors हैं. You can see that they have planted lettuce. I saw a lot of people in the comment section saying that why am I always working alone here in Lahaul. I think you have to get familiar with living all by yourself. I mean, I'm not that much of a people's person. I try interacting, but I'm very bad with social interactions. I mean, I don't have any bad intentions. It's just, yeah, that's my inbuilt nature. So that is called the Kukti Pass. यहाँ से एक रास्ता है which enters into Chamba district. So इस रास्ते से I mean लाहौल के सारे brown bears they come from this route. This is Michael's POV. Michael is enjoying the views. So the thing I've noticed about Michael is जहाँ पर view अच्छा होता है, he takes a pause and he actually looks at the view. Look at him right now. He's looking at the view, dude. Houses in the villages in Lahaul are abandoned. They're frozen in time because before the Atal Tunnel was built, most of the families who were looking, for better education, for better opportunities, who didn't want to be restricted to just farming, they moved out. And so there are a lot of isolated houses here. Sorry, there are a lot of abandoned houses in Lahaul. You can hear the river flowing. So वही है, I mean Manali is also a गाँव, but when I get sick of Manali and I want peace, I come here. So yeah, there's a kind of peace here which you can't buy. अभी तक commercialization नहीं हुआ है यहाँ पर. And yeah, so the people of Lahaul, they are a mix of Indo-Aryan and Tibetan, I'd say, shaped by centuries of migration and adaptation to the climate. Many people believe that Lahaulis came from Zanskar, Tibet, and from the Spiti region as well, crossing high passes like Baralacha, which you have heard when you go to Leh, you cross Baralacha Pass. Michael, will you stop cribbing? So Lahaul was also part of the ancient Silk Route trade. And so यहाँ से there were routes which used to go to Tibet, China. So I am planning to make a hiking vlog tomorrow to summit a peak, and that is the Otang top. I don't know if there's a route or not. It's around 4,300 meters and the car will go till that point. So it's around, I mean जितना मेरे को देख के लग रहा है, it's a 3-4 hours hike up to the top. We're just sitting here and enjoying the view. Natural pillow. Wow. है ना Michael? So yeah, there's a huge water shortage in the village because यहाँ पे cloud burst होता रहता है every now and then, and because of that the entire supply cuts and लोगों को अपने fields maintain करने बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं. ट्यूलिप देखो ज़रा, ऑरेंज कैसे है ना, इसके ये हिलते रहते हैं. वाह. So yeah, that's the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This was my usual day in my village, and yeah, I'll see you soon.